Thank you.
A very happy evening to you.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine. Feeling very nice. Happy to be here.
We also want to have all the wishes for you and happiness.
He started.
You are glowing.
Thank you.
What are you expecting from tonight? You have been part of. Just tell us about it.
Oh, well, I think they are felicitating all the Lux ladies and इतने सालों का association रहा है Lux के साथ. I think the greatest thing is that my mother was also a brand ambassador for Lux, my sister also and me also, and my mother-in-law. So I think the whole family has been part of the Lux family, and that's why I think I've made this effort to be here tonight.
And probably red represents the legacy of Lux.
Oh, well, I think Lux has a lot of colors, red, pink. But yeah, I think everybody will be in red and pink tonight.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has been the only actor, the male actor who has been part of the brand which is
Yeah.
associated with women and ads which have been made on women. Can I tell you?
Oh, well, I think women, girls, women, aunties, they all love Shah Rukh. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for Lux. और मैंने भी एक ऐड किया था एक बाथटब में जब शाहरुख बाथटब में थे and we were all around him. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador.
करीन और कोई पूछ रहा है? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं, आप किसी को पूछने नहीं देते हो. I think पिक्चर की सक्सेस, एक अच्छी कहानी और रिवॉर्ड्स मायने रखते हैं. मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं है. I think it's a great step.
आज का अवार्ड वुमेन की ब्यूटी के ऊपर है, तो आपके लिए वुमेन की ब्यूटी क्या है?
I think Lux का अवार्ड है तो definitely beauty, skin, all this बहुत important है, and it's one of the leading brands in India. So I think that it's going to be, all the beautiful women will be on stage.
करीना क्योंकि
बोलो.
महिलाओं की बात हो रही है, क्योंकि लड़कियों की बात हो रही है, बहुत सी ऐसी महिलाएं, ऐसी लड़कियां हैं जिनपे एसिड अटैक हुआ, उसके बाद वो लड़के सामने आई हैं, फाइटर निकली हैं. उन महिलाओं को जिन्होंने इतनी ताकत, इतनी शक्ति दिखाई, उनके लिए क्या कहना है?
नहीं, आई थिंक जो शक्ति महिला में है, विमेन में है, आई थिंक वो किसी चीज़ में नहीं है. इसलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि हम भगवान को भी माता ही कह के बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि लड़कियों में ही ऐसी शक्ति है. एक दूसरे जन्म, जो हम दूसरे सोल को भी जन्म देते हैं, आई थिंक वो एक औरत ही है. तो देयर इज़ नो वन स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ वुमन.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ 19 तारीख को आप होंगे ना?
कहाँ 19 की बात होगी अभी क्या? आई डोंट नो अबाउट ग्लोबल. हाँ,
और एक लास्ट दिसंबर दिसंबर के फर्स्ट वीक में
डन? मुझे पता है आप क्या पूछोगे. How are you?
Yes, Aditi is there on good evening. Aditi.
Good evening. Happy to see everybody after a very long time. जी? मैंने बस सोचा क्यों नहीं, ये ब्लू तो है यहाँ पे कहीं, उसके लिए मैचिंग के लिए. ओह, सी बट ब्लू लुक्स नाइस अगेंस्ट रेड ना.
ये लिप्स भी तो देखो आप. बस मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको. What are you expecting? क्या उम्मीद है आपको?
I think it's going to be fun. Lux is synonymous with beauty, and उसके लिए एक award किया जा रहा है, and to award iconic Bollywood beauties, characters, etc. I think it's a great idea, and I'm happy to be here today. I'm also performing, so that's going to be fun. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to the other performances.
एक कट करें.
क्यों?
ये स्टाइल है या मतलब
अरे क्या, अभी हवा चल रही है, क्या हो सकता है उसका? कुछ नहीं हो सकता, उसका कोई उपाय नहीं है.
मैं क्या बोल रहा था कि how are you like dealing with this the economic ups and downs which have happened in today's life?
You know, I'm not so worried about myself because I have a card, a credit card, I mean, and a debit card. But I know that there are a lot of people who don't. And I think people who rely on, you know, money every day, vegetable vendors, house help, etc., etc. I think it's really hard for them. मैंने जो भी अपने पास था सब बांट दिया है actually, और मैं अभी कार्ड से गुजारा कर रही हूँ, which is what I think everybody wants. But at least I've distributed whatever I had because I couldn't bear to see everybody looking so stressed out around me. So yeah.
अदिति, 500 मिनट बंद होने से आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई?
जी?
आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई?
नहीं, लाइक आई सेड, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट आई नो कि इंडिया एक बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एंड स्पेशली इन स्मॉल टाउन्स, इन विलेजेस, आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. आई एम वॉचिंग द लाइन्स आउटसाइड. आई नो द मूव इज़ वेरी गुड एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर कंट्री. It is a very important thing to do, but I know that a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulties. So I'm trying to help as much as I can, but I only have.
एक ऐसी बात हमारे लोग ये पूछना चाह रहे थे कि सर से विलन को कई जो महिलाएं लड़कियां भैया कई जो लड़कियां हैं जो एसिड अटैक से मतलब मर कर आई हैं, तो मतलब आप कुछ उनके लिए कहना चाहेंगी संवेदना शक्ति भरे शब्द?
Matlab, I think just to watch them and how they sort of live life with so much confidence and so much love and just you know, this love for life that they have, and I think it's very admirable. मैं उनको क्या बोलूँगी, I actually am inspired by them and how they lead their lives. And also the people who do stuff like this, I don't even know. I can't even imagine that in this day and age these things are still happening. It's the most disgusting thing.
ओके अदिति, जैसे आपने कहा कि वो लोग जो गांव देहात में रहते हैं उनके लिए यकीनन बहुत परेशानी है, क्योंकि जब हम पैसों की बात करते हैं, जिस तरह के माहौल करते हैं, आपको लगता है बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड में करा गया, बहुत आनंद फानंद में लिया गया फैसला है?
एक्चुअली ना मेरे को इस सब पे कमेंट नहीं करना है, बिकॉज द थिंग इज़ मैं जो भी बोलूँगी एनीवे वो चेंज नहीं होगा. आई थिंक व्हाट वी शुड डू नाउ इज़ टू ट्राई एंड सी हाउ वी कैन हेल्प द पीपल अराउंड अस. आई थिंक दैट इज़ द मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. व्हाट इज़ डन इज़ डन. I think moving forward we have to see what steps we can take to ease everybody's problems. And जैसे मैंने बोला, मुझे और I think बहुत सारे जिन लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ मे बी उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन माई लाइफ जिनको हो रही है. तो हम इफ ईच ऑफ अस हेल्प्स, आई थिंक we'll tide over this time and then it will be back to normal.
काफी ऊपर नीचे होता था एकदम से आपको
हाँ,
क्रॉस करना पड़ता है
हेक्टिक सवाल. हाँ
तो आप यहाँ परफॉर्म कर रही हैं आज?
जी,
कुछ बताएं उसके बारे में.
बता दूँ, बता सकती
जी
हूँ?
जी बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, नहीं ना,
अरे एक दो तीन
I don't know. See, Ranil scolded me. Okay, I'll tell you this much, that the performance that I'm doing is like it's a big privilege to do it because I think every girl, especially a dancer, dreams of doing songs like that. आजकल ऐसे गाने बनते नहीं हैं. आजकल इतने beautiful लोग होते भी नहीं हैं. I don't know what it is about the people of that time. They were so stunning. They are timelessly beautiful. To emulate them, to do their songs, to perform to their songs, it's like a way, you know, of respecting them and to sort of keep them alive in our hearts forever. And it's very special, very tough, but very special. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to tell you what exactly I'm doing, but it's obviously retro and very exciting and tough.
Okay, you'll be performing on Shridevi's number, Madhuri Dixit's number और Zinat Aman's number.
अदिति, एक्टर के तौर पे आपके लिए अवार्ड कितना मैटर है?
आई थिंक बहुत मायने रखता है अगर अवार्ड असली अवार्ड हो. Oh God, I'm gonna get into trouble. No, awards are very, very important because you know they give you encouragement to keep doing the work that you do. And I think for actors, love and appreciation for any artist, especially a performing artist, जो love और appreciation मिलता है, that you know gives you that thing to अच्छा मैं और I want to do more, I want to do more, and to keep like pushing your boundaries, to keep bettering yourself, to keep challenging yourself. Yeah, I think that's what it is. अब मैं भागूं? हाँ, okay. हाँ, please, thanks. मैं भागूं? अब मैं सारा आंसर कर दिया है. Almost. अब आके
यहाँ वैसे एक रिचुअल चल रहा है टाइम के साथ. मैम स्टेडी है. मैम ये मैम सामने मैम थोड़ा सा नीचे. श्री मैम सामने. मैम
क्या बोलूँ मैं?
Well, it's extremely honored to be a part of this brand, and it's a lovely experience working with all those beautiful ladies, and of course with Charlotte too.
Can I ask you, like, who has been the most practical as far as cinema goes?
Well, it's very, very difficult to mention one person because I feel all of them are beautiful, very talented, and
Do you remember the night which Shah Rukh Khan was part of? Like, he's the only actor who has been part of the brand as a precisely works for women for women.
yeah, of course I
You had
remember.
done the bar.
Yeah, I remember that.
Like to share that program with us?
Well, the ad itself, it's a beautiful memory to remember. It's something very different and very different from other ads. So we really enjoyed shooting for that.
I'm saying is taking the legacy of Lux and what you have been carrying for so long, all these years, among the upcoming actors.
There are many more to come, and of course, there, as I said before, I can't just name one person. That all of them are beautiful.
And then if you would like to take some.
Thank you.
You don't trouble them.
Thank you. Hello. कैसे हैं आप? I'm always happy. It's always a happy evening for me.
You spread happiness. That's
Oh, thank you.
fabulous red.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just in love with the. It's a bloody red, and I think rose petals, lux rose petals, red. It's all in sync.
Probably the legacy of Lux.
Maybe, maybe.
And now have you recovered from your
Yes, I have. Finally, yes, I did. I had a bad bout actually of a neck injury after I got out of Jhalak and then got into malaria. So I'm feeling fit, healthy, and very, very good.
फिल्मफेयर में आई थी
थोड़ी सी थी because उस टाइम पे ऐसा सा maybe it was setting in that time, but yeah.
आपको क्या लगता है कौन इम्पैक्टफुल वुमेन रही है हमारी भारतीय सिनेमा या हिंदी सिनेमा?
एक नाम नहीं है आई थिंक हर वो एक्टर हर एक फीमेल एक्टर जिन्होंने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार निभाए हैं नॉट जस्ट ऑन स्क्रीन लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन सोसाइटी में हम अपनी तरफ से कुछ ना कुछ छोटा कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं सबसे बड़ी contribution I think as women is to be able to be ourselves. That's the biggest contribution we can make to society, and I think a lot of women have done that in this past year. I will like to name. I'm very proud to actually associate myself with Parched, the film, and I feel very happy कि starting from Leena to Tanishtha to Radhika, I think all of them. राधिका की फिल्म फोबिया आई थी तो आई जस्ट फील वेरी वेरी हैप्पी यू नो दैट वुमेन आर कमिंग आउट एंड डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क सो मेरे लिए ये बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म के साथ और ऐसे लोगों के साथ जुड़ पाई
आप एक मार्गदर्शन करेंगे हमारे कलीग पूछना चाह रहे थे बातचीत चल रही कई जो महिलाएं उन पे एसिड फेंका गया ऐसे क्योंकि ट्रिब्यूट का समय है ना आज
जी सॉरी
पर वो उभर के सामने आए हिम्मत रखिए तो आप अपने शब्दों में उनके लिए कुछ प्रोत्साहन या कुछ विशेष कहना चाहेंगे
आई थिंक उनके लिए क्योंकि वो बहुत उस चीज़ को सरमाउंट करके खुद एक अपनी उसी इंडिविजुअलिटी के साथ बाहर आए हैं ये हमारे लिए बहुत इंस्पायरिंग बात है तो आई थिंक हमको अपनी छोटी छोटी डे टू डे चीज़ों में जहाँ पे हम लोग इनसिक्योर फील करते हैं टू कम आउट इन दी ओपन एज हु वी आर एंड इन आवर ओन सर्कमस्टांसेस आई थिंक वी नीड टू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देम फॉर बीइंग एबल टू कम आउट लाइक दैट
सुप्रीम 500,000 की नोट बंद हो गई तो उससे आपको क्या
प्रॉब्लम सब खत्म है देयर इज पीस एवरीवेयर इवन इफ यू हैव द मनी यू कांट स्पेंड इट इससे रेस्ट एंड पीस की बात क्या हो सकती है
अच्छा काम किया या फिर
I think in the long run, yes, definitely, and I'm all for supporting this. I think there's a lot lying in dumps, and it's a cleanliness drive. जैसे स्वच्छ भारत actually अब स्वच्छ होगा. So yes, definitely. Yes.
आर्टिस्ट के लिए एक अवार्ड कितना मायने रखता है?
बहुत बहुत मायने रखता है हम लोग अपने लिए और अपने से ज़्यादा अपने ऑडियंसेस के लिए अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए काम करते हैं और एक उस चीज़ का वैलिडेशन अप्रिसिएशन रिकग्निशन और एक्नॉलेजमेंट बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी होता है तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड हु डजंट लाइक टू बैग अवार्ड्स या मैंने अभी एक्चुअली कुछ साइन नहीं किया है आफ्टर पार्च्ड बट एज एंड व्हेन आई साइन आई थिंक आई हैव मैंने खुद पे अपने आप पे बहुत प्रेशर डाल लिया है एक्चुअली टू बी एबल टू मीट माई ओन स्टैंडर्ड्स
किस तरीके का रोल करना पसंद
टू बी एबल टू बहुत प्रेशर है यार यहाँ पे सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेशर जो मैं अपने आप खुद फील करती हूँ जो मैं डील कर रही हूँ कि मैं अपने आप पे बहुत प्रेशर डाली हूँ और मुझे इतना नहीं सोचना चाहिए बट yeah it's easier said than done maybe I feel the pressure brings out the best in me and I will be able to pick up the right project very very soon in the coming future and आप सबको पता लग जाएगा जी coming to you now
तो आप किस तरीके का रोल निभाना चाहोगे?
I'm open to all kinds of roles I don't want to put myself in a box और मैं एक कलाकार के लिए एक्चुअली सही माने में हर तरीके का किरदार अपनी पिछले किरदार या अपने पिछले काम से हटकर कुछ अलग करना, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट एन आर्टिस्ट इज मेड ऑफ एंड शुड बी व्यूड लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थैंक यू. सॉरी, हाँ अभी के लिए ना इट्स टू मच ना. ओके गाइस, सो आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्रेक्स अंटिल वी मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम.
रिचुअल बना है फ्लाइंग किस का, अगर आप राइज करने के अंदर
You want me to come away from the podium and give it?
यहाँ पे आके वो आपके लिए
Thank you so much.
आपका आज तबीयत डाउन लग रहा है. मंकी कैप पहन के एकदम.
Hello, good evening. Hi, what's up? जी मैं परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ और मैं अवार्ड देखना भी चाहता हूँ एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू फन इवनिंग. प्लेजेंट इवनिंग टू यू टू. कैसे हैं आप? बिल्कुल ठीक.
बताएंगे और इट्स अ ट्रिब्यूट टू वुमेन ऑफ सिनेमा.
Yes.
आपने बताया और all the theme and the
Yeah, I think it's a great platform. I don't think we've had an award which has celebrated women and only women and focused on women the way that the awards tonight are, and I think that's a fantastic gesture on the part of Lux and the entire team at Zee. So I'm looking forward to a different award function, some new types of awards, and the women who are achievers at the top of their game being honored and shown respect the way that they should. सर मैं शर्ट पहन के आने वाला था और टी शर्ट से काम चला लिया मैंने. जी अगर करप्शन हटाना है तो, और जब करप्शन इतना ज़्यादा हो तो शायद थोड़ा हार्ड स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. I think it's still early to comment on how it will go because there are certain practicalities attached to the change in currency and the notes that have been changed. So it's going to be difficult. Everybody is finding it difficult. I'm sure we will also find it difficult. But if it leads to less corruption, if it leads to less black money, if it leads to less fake money, which is also a very big issue that we've been facing, then I think it's a bold step and I think it's in the right direction. I will be starting shooting for Padmavati in a couple of weeks. That's what I will be doing next. And Rangoon is what I have already finished and it will be out in February. सर मैं शुरू किया नहीं है तो जब शुरू करूँगा तो फील मिलेगा. बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग honor to work with Mr. Bhansali. I loved his last film and I've loved many of his films and I think he's a fantastic filmmaker. And I'm very excited about the role that he has offered me. This is the first time me and Deepika will be working together, which is great. This is the first time me and Ranveer will be working together, which is great. It's a really big film and it's a really challenging film to do as an actor. That's what excites me the most. After working with Vishal Bhardwaj, to be working with Sanjay Bhansali is, you know, it's an amazing place to be. I feel very fortunate as an actor. क्या लगे? अच्छा रोज. हाँ जी. Hello, how are you? जब माधुरी मैम हो तो रोजेस को कौन देखता है? थैंक यू. जी Here?
क्या करूँ
You're stepping on.
ओके एक मिनट ठीक है डन ओके नमस्ते टर्बुलेंस हैपनिंग आपके दिल में यस
We all die for this smile of yours.
थैंk you
36,000 watts.
thank you so much compliments
Abhi, please tell us something about your association with Lux और आज की शाम के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें. You have been part of.
Yes, I have been part of the Lux Golden Awards, and I think it's a wonderful thing because they are recognizing all the female characters in movies, all the heroines, all the actors who have contributed so much towards the industry, and all of them are women today. They're going to be awarded, they're going to be felicitated, which is a wonderful thing, I think. No, I think there have been a lot of women who have impacted cinema, and there will be a lot of women who will impact cinema in the future. And it's wonderful that all of them will be recognized in this way.
है जो एसिड अटैक से उभर कर आई है.
Well, I think what happens to them is terrible. मतलब कोई हम सोच नहीं सकेंगे, imagine नहीं कर सकेंगे कि how much pain they go through. But I think every woman who stands up and takes a stand and becomes the voice for all these women, जो पीड़ित सब औरतें हैं, उनके लिए जब वो आवाज़ बनती हैं, one of them stands up and says this has to stop. And I think that's wonderful to see. Well, you know, I think कुछ सोच के ये बात की गई है और I hope it is for the good. अच्छा है और I think people are following it और उसे थोड़ी तकलीफ़ हो रही है आम जनता को, लेकिन अगर ये तकलीफ़ कुछ अच्छा ला सकती है आगे तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मोस्ट वेलकम. Oh yes, of course. One picture they want me.
Oh gosh, I have to talk? Yeah. I've got the worst voice right now. Alright. Are they laughing at my voice? Wow. Hello.
very vibrant.
Am I? I'm very unwell. I think you can tell from my voice.
That is your spirit, you know.
Is it? Part of being an actor. How are you doing? I'm sorry I'm really late, but I was really unwell, so it took me. Oh, shush, please. Probably didn't even realize I was here. How's it going? This is really great. The weather's really nice, huh? Yes.
So you are part of the ceremony, like what capacity? Like?
I got an invitation. It's the first of its kind. It sounds really lovely, and I thought I'd come. So that's my part in the ceremony.
What do you think about the legacy of Lux? Sharmila ji, like she was the first woman being brand ambassador of Lux. And
I see.
Kareena and everyone happened.
I think it just represents beauty and the epitome of, I think, an Indian beauty. So it's iconic. And I think it's really lovely that they are commemorating and sort of regaling Indian divas.
Shah Rukh Khan is also part of it, like, and
Yes.
you remember the ad? Remember the ad, like the bathtub ad, so Shah Rukh Khan?
The bathtub ad with Shah Rukh Khan? I'm not sure. No. I know the ladies bathing in the bathtub, but yeah, vaguely maybe.
Like we were just speaking to our colleagues, like this is the tribute to the women. There are certain women who have gone through the unpleasant experience of being attacked with kids, but they have come strong.
Yes.
Would you like to express some words of encouragement and
I don't think it's necessary for me to say anything because, unfortunately, I mean, the people who have been victim to such sort of attacks have come out so courageous and so brave themselves. I don't think they need anything else, but I think, if anything, I could learn something from them. Just the amount of strength that they have is unbelievable. So, नहीं, जी नहीं. वो मैंने कुछ सुना था because I wasn't there. हाँ, that's what I wasn't there ना for the launch. So मैंने ऐसा सुना था तो इसीलिए मैंने tweet कर दिया था कि I'm not a part of it. No, I'm not. No, there was a meeting and लेकिन कुछ finalize बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ था.
कुछ और बता दीजिए, like apart from this, like new projects.
I'm about to start Badshah and Mubaraka. And my co-star is up on stage, I think. Arjun's up on stage. So yeah, very excited. Preparations going on, workshops and look test chal rahi hai. So pretty much busy with that.
Comedy करेंगी ना?
जी हाँ, yeah.
And what I was asking, like about just
जी.
it was like probably you must have settled down with the currency economic turbulence which happened like 2 days back.
I don't think anyone settled down. It's been a shock for everybody. So
But do you think this like good in the long run?
I don't know. I mean, there's a reason why I'm not into politics is because I don't understand it, which is why I'm an actor. So I don't think I can comment on it. All I can say is I hope people, and I hope the people responsible know what they're doing and they're doing something for the good of the country, and that's all I can say. Fingers crossed, and let's hope everything's for the good, right?
We understand you are not well. Keep it short, like whatever short it is. And before you leave, we have been following like such a sort of ritual today, flying kiss.
Oh,
You can apply this.
bahana hai bas.
No, for the camera.
Acha. Which camera? That's a lot.
On the camera.
All right.
Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Please, one picture.
One of those panic shots. Which makes you feel really good.
Thank you. Ma'am, your right side.
मैम आपका फैन यहाँ पर इधर भी है यार, वो फैन नहीं है, अरे हमारा फैन है इधर। मैम राइट में आपके, मैम राइट साइड, मैम यहाँ पे राइट में फुल हॉलीवुड लो मैडम समोर बघा, अरे कौन आ गया? मैम मैम लेफ्ट लेफ्ट मैम सामने एकदम,
Deepika ma'am here.
मैम लेफ्ट, मैम राइट,
Deepika ma'am here.
मैडम सामने देखिए। अरे नहीं रुको एक मिनट, मैडम सामने देखिए।
कितना सेफ
दीपिका जी, दीपिका मैडम लुक यहाँ पर नहीं है, थोड़ा पीछे। मैम सामने एकदम, मैम के शो मैम ये मैम मैम वेट दीपिका जी ऊपर, ऊपर
चलो पूरा फोटोशूट हो गया. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, so quiet, everyone. What happened? Tired?
Happy evening to you. You look towering, you look strong, you look powerful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Done?
Thank you.
We started by congratulating you like for completing 9 years officially, like with the release of your film. Om Shanti. Many congratulations for it.
Thank you.
So, any words for it? Like how does it?
It feels amazing. I don't feel like I've completed 9 years. Like I always say, I feel like I've just started off. And I feel like I have a lot more to give. I feel like I'm ready for even more challenging roles and even more challenging films. And I'm excited about one of those experiences because Padmavati is going to be extremely difficult. And but I'm ready. I think I'm ready for that experience and for that journey.
Now you are part of the international red carpets. Now walking the red carpet here, MTV, and now here. So what, do you find any difference or? Like,
It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. It's always fun to dress up and to get ready and then to interact with the media and interact with your fans who are on the red carpet. It's always fun.
वहाँ पे कैसा रहा?
कहाँ पे?
ना
जो आपने देखा वही. It was great fun. I love music and it was amazing to watch some of these artists perform live. I think as an actor, to just watch some amazing performances, I think, you know, I've really learned a lot.
दीपिका जी, वो ईरान में हमने आपको शूट करते हुए देखा था। मुंबई में we saw you मजीद
No, you say. No, you say. नहीं, आप क्या बोल रहे थे, आप बताओ.
वो मजीद का जो हमने देखा।
कौन?
The film that you were shooting.
No, he was asking the question. He should ask properly.
हाँ तो वो
नाम तो याद कर लो ठीक से.
मतलब क्या फिल्म है या क्या कुछ अलग हम बताएं?
You'll know soon. You'll know soon.
दीपिका, आज की सेरेमनी के बारे में बताएंगे, A Legacy of Lux.
Yes.
And we saw the ad which you are taking the baton forward. हाँ, तो उसके बारे में शर्मिला जी ने स्टार्ट किया. She was the first and now the ad. उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
I think it was definitely an iconic moment for me because Sharmila ji, of course, but I've grown up watching Madhuri ji and Sridevi ji, and to share screen space with them and to be named in the same league and category as them, I think for me was a huge honor. Like I said, it's only been 9 years and I feel like I have a long way to go. But it was a huge honor, and most importantly, all four of us had a lot of fun when we were shooting.
we were all very happy that we were all getting to work together. And this evening again, I'm going to meet everyone.
Mr. Shahrukh Khan है part इसके लक्ष्य के जो because ज़्यादा male stars कभी हुए नहीं. Mr. Shahrukh Khan is the only one who is part of the Lux. How you see it like? Is it?
I don't know if I can comment on that because I don't know in what capacity he's associated with the brand, so I can't comment on that.
Is it there like?
I wouldn't know that, but he is definitely hosting the evening along with Karan and a lot of amazing performances. But that's all I know.
Deepika, मेरे colleague since this is a tribute to women, कई women हैं जो acid attacks के victims रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए and they have come out strongly and bravely. Any words for would you like to express for them?
Yes, but having said that, I don't think it should be discussed in such a frivolous manner. I think there is a time and place for everything. When we comment on certain things, I think there is a time and place for everything. Having said that, I've interacted and met a lot of them in the past, and I have a lot of love and respect for them.
दीपिका, गवर्नमेंट ने जो 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो गवर्नमेंट का सही डिसीजन है? आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely, I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them on that.
Thank you. About your next film, we've heard that you are having India premiere for Triple X. So will we see when and the other cast will come to India?
Hopefully. I've spoken to them a lot about India. They all know a lot about India. And obviously, I want to, most importantly, the amazing experience that I had while filming this movie, I want to share that experience with everyone. And yeah, so I will, hopefully, all of them will be here.
One last, Om Shantyam will be made in Japanese now?
It's going to be a Japanese play, if I'm not mistaken. It's not going to be. I mean, I'm sure they've already translated the movie, or maybe it's already been made in Japanese. I'm not sure. But Farah called me the other day, and she said they're making it a play, and they all loved Shanti Priya, and the premiere of that is going to be in July next year. And most probably Farah and I will be going together for that.
Thank you so much for presenting. We are following a sort of image like of a flying face. If you feel comfortable for the camera.
For you. Thank you. यहाँ
वापस अरे मैडम इस तरफ हमारी तरफ यार
Thank you.
यहाँ भी थोड़ा
Again. Thank you.
back to
Yes. I'm glad now the film is done, so now you can come back looking as full teams are
Ma'am, your right side. I'm here.
किधर है आपका माइक?
पूजा सेंटर.
You're right.
Thank you.
पूजा जी.
I'm just crossing and leaving.
Ma'am, your right side, both of your right side.
Okay, me now.
Anushka left. Madam, center please. Okay, thank you.
मजाक कर रहा है यार तुम्हारे साथ.
Madam, center.
Anushka here, Anushka.
Madam here. Ma'am, your right side here. Ma'am, right madam.
I'm going from here, okay?
मेरा कैमरा सुनो मैडम, रुकिए. अरे यार वापस आ एक बार. सामने देखिए ये अनुष्का मैम, ये मैम अनुष्का जी, एक मिनट मैडम. मैम, ये मैम सामने आपके.
तुम लोग काफी सैटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे. ये भी करना पड़ेगा. Hi, thank you, and to you too.
Congratulations for your film.
Thank you.
Passing the landmark in terms of कुछ कहना चाहिए?
ऑब्वियसली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि जितना प्यार मुझे इस साल मिला है विद सुल्तान एंड एदिल, आई मीन आई रियली फील वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल. तो ये दौर चल रहा है और मैं इसको एंजॉय कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे ये मौके मिल रहे हैं टू यू नो शो डिफरेंट फैसेट्स ऑफ मी एज एन एक्टर.
We are so happy to see you. आप काफी दिनों बाद से बातचीत कर रहे हैं. You saw that all the photographers were excited.
उनको तो मैं मिलती रहती हूँ एयरपोर्ट्स में फॉर एयरपोर्ट लुक्स.
हमारे साथ में बहुत दिनों बाद.
जी, आप ही सवाल पूछे और कोई नहीं पूछेगा.
How was the reaction of Farhan?
Hello, hi, how are you? Hello, hi, how are you? Okay, bye, Tata, thank you. मैंने मजाक कर रहा यार, आप उनके साथ क्या? मैं आप ही के लिए आया हूँ.
Very good, everybody is very good. And I will not talk for anybody, so you should ask them. जैसे मैंने बोला ये साल मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा है. कितना चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग, क्या करें. तो बहुत स्पेशल रहा है बिकॉज एदिल है मुश्किल दोनों फिल्में रिलीज हुई हैं मेरी और नॉट जस्ट दैट दोनों पिक्चरें सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर और मेरी परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद किया है. तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक्टर के लिए वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरा साथ.
कुछ बताना चाहिए, performing or your part?
So I'm performing. So this will be my first performance of the year. So I'm quite excited. Live performances करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है because you're very scared कि nervousness होती है perform करने से पहले, but जब you know आप stage पे होते हो तो बहुत अच्छी feeling भी होती है. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm looking forward to the performance and I hope everything goes well.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is also he's co-star in your next film also and part of the ceremony also. Are you performing with him?
No, it's a solo performance. Okay, thank you guys.
रिंग के बारे में अगर आप
अभी बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तो बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में.
रोज की बात हो रही है क्योंकि तो आपसे जानना चाहिए कि आपकी लाइफ का पहला रोज आपने दिया हो या आपको किसी ने जो कुछ याद है आपको ऐसे मेमोरी को शेयर करना चाहिए.
नहीं, याद ही नहीं आ रहा.
Would you like to?
ऐसे हो सकता है मुझे सच्ची में याद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसे कौन याद रखता है मेरा पहला रोज मुझे किसी ने दिया था? याद रखते हैं लोग? किसी ने नहीं दिया.
Anushka, how are you dealing with the recent decision of our PM, like 500
economic.
I think I've tweeted and I've expressed my feelings on Twitter, and that's as much as I'd like to say on that. I think it's a very, very bold initiative, and as citizens, we all should take part and go through these immediate problems that we are facing right now, and in the long run and for the larger good of the nation, this is going to help us all. So let's all stick together and support this.
One of my colleagues wanted to ask, this is a tribute to women.
Where's your colleague?
Teacher है, वो लग गया So, I wanted to ask you, like, since this is a tribute to women, many women who have gone through some unpleasant experiences or acid victims, they have come strongly, more bravely. So, any words from them, about them would you like to say?
The thing about women is that बहुत एक inner strength होती है जो बहुत quiet strength होती है, and हर औरत and हर वो इंसान और वो आदमी जो ये चीज़ इन औरतों में देख सकता है, वो समझेगा कि वही एक्चुअली उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी होती है, सबसे खास बात होती है. बाहर से आप कैसे लगते हैं इज़ नॉट रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट्स हाउ यू आर फ्रॉम इनसाइड, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ यू होल्ड एज अ वुमन, दैट एक्चुअली डिफाइंस you. And I feel like if this is the way we are going right now, the way women are expressing themselves so openly, and how everybody is talking about working towards women empowerment and everything else, I think it's a very good time that we are living in, and I think we all should just work together towards making it a better country, because when everyone's happy and your women are doing well in the country, kids are doing well in the country, you'll be a successful economical nation.
Thank you so much. We are hoping you get lots of awards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
आप साइड
ठीक है.
Thank you.
पब्लिसिटी करता थांबेगा सगळ्यांनी व्हिडिओ डिलीट केले सगळ्यांनी हे नाही माझा स्पोर्ट डिलीट करणार आहे भाई तू बॉस इधर आगे अभी लो लेकिन
Hello.
Yes, Sarah, how are you?
Ma'am, your right side here.
Your right side.
Ma'am, your right side.
Who do you interview? Mom, your interviews are waiting.
Jacqueline here. Jacqueline ऊपर.
No.
She's wearing. Jacqueline ma'am.
Paolo Sebastian. Hello. Hi everyone. आज शाम क्या स्पेशल है कि एक्चुअली ये अवार्ड द लक्स गोल्डन रोज अवार्ड्स आर स्पेशल अवार्ड्स. इट्स देयर फर्स्ट ईयर and it's completely dedicated for women. So and we have like some iconic women here today like Sri Devi and just to name a few. And yeah, I think it's very very exciting that we can have such an award like this today. स्पेशल डिज़ाइन मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन हाँ बिल्कुल एक्चुअली ये स्पेशली एक्चुअली गोल्डन लक्स अवार्ड्स के लिए क्योंकि इट्स फॉर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट एक खास ड्रेस आई थिंक एक खास ओकेजन के लिए एक खास अवार्ड के लिए पाओलो सेबेस्टियन ओके
मैम गवर्नमेंट ने जो 500,000 की नोट बंद कर दी है
हाँ जी हाँ ठीक है गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ किया है तो इट्स वी आई मीन हैव टू वी वोटेड फॉर द गवर्नमेंट सो वी हैव टू एक प्रॉब्लम
क्या आपको किसी तरीके की प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ी जो इस तरीके का डिसीजन लिया गया है क्योंकि
नहीं सिर्फ जब मैं एक्चुअली ऑटो लेती हूँ तो चेंज नहीं है तो वो बहुत तकलीफ है मेरे लिए एक्चुअली
तो जी क्योंकि आप अंदर से आ रहे हैं जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या कुछ कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपका और उसकी बात होती है तो शेयर करना।
बहुत अच्छा रहा ये जो अवार्ड हैं ये पहली बार हो रहे हैं लक्स गोल्डन रोज अवार्ड्स टू सेलिब्रेट द ब्यूटी ऑफ वुमेन इन द इंडस्ट्री इसलिए मैं आया था आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट फंक्शन और मेरी दोस्त कटरीना कैफ परफॉर्म कर रही थी उनको देखने आया था और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस।
नहीं अभी गुड इवनिंग टू यू।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
हाउ यू हैव बीन लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ काफी काम चल रहा है यू नो लाइक
मेरा खुद के फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बस आप अभी बोलिए क्या सवाल है।
मतलब मैं वही पूछा था कि लाइक हाउ हैज बीन द शूट एंड एवरीथिंग।
हाँ अभी बहुत एक लंबे शेड्यूल के बाद हम वापस आए हैं हम 2 महीने से पहाड़ों में थे मनाली में हिमाचल प्रदेश में और अभी वापस आए हैं बस कुछ दिनों पहले और अब बस 22 तारीख से लास्ट शेड्यूल शुरू हो रहा है हमारा ट्यूबलाइट का बॉम्बे में और बस जनवरी तक ख़त्म हो जाएगा।
कभी सबके यहाँ पे पूछ रहा हूँ आपने ट्वीट तो कर ही दिया फोटो भी कर दी लेकिन क्या सही में ऐसा कुछ मनमुटाव हुआ था मतलब जो लोग कहते मैं तो वो
हाँ देखिए एक्चुअली ये मैं रूमर्स में बिलीव नहीं करता लेकिन ये अच्छी बात है क्योंकि जब भी ये ऐसा एक रूमर आता है ये एक था टाइगर में भी आया था बजरंगी भाईजान में भी आया था एंड देन यू नो द फिल्म्स वेंट ऑन टू डू द बिजनेस दे डिड तो आई थिंक ये अच्छा है ये अच्छा एक शगुन है कि अगर एक ऐसा रूमर आया है तो ट्यूबलाइट के लिए भी अच्छा होगा।
कभी वन ऑफ माय कलीग वांटेड टू आस्क यू कि लाइक सिंस दिस इज फॉर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड लेकिन उसी के साथ में ये पूछना चाह रहे थे कि जैसे पिछले साल उत्तर पंजाब आई तो देयर आर सर्टेन पीपल हु गोस थ्रू सब्सटेंस अब्यूज एंड दे ओवरकम इट एंड कम अक्रॉस तो उनके लिए आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे स्पेशली द यूथ अगर इफ यू वांट टू लाइक गिव सम वर्ड्स ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट एंड फॉर देम।
आई थिंक इसमें वर्ड्स ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट यही है कि ऑब्वियसली ये इफ दे मस्ट हैव द पावर द विल पावर टू बी एबल टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट हैबिट बहुत मुश्किल होता है because once you fall into substance abuse I've known people I've known my friends from my college days who went through that and it takes a lot of willpower and strength and all we can do is you know just offer them support and be there for them when they're trying to come out of that because it's not easy.
One more thing, have you adapted like for it's 2 days now about the social economic turbulence which has happened like so are you overcome like those things like 1,000 2,000 500?
जी फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर मी पर्सनली इतनी दिक्कत नहीं हुई बट एज आई एम ड्राइविंग अराउंड द सिटी एंड सीइंग जो लोग बेचारे खड़े हुए हैं बैंक्स के बाहर ये काफ़ी उनको दिक्कत हुई है एंड आई विश इट वाज प्लान्ड स्लाइटली बेटर इट्स अ ग्रेट यू नो मूव इन प्रिंसिपल लेकिन आई थिंक लॉजिस्टिकली अगर ये ज़्यादा बेटर प्लान होता तो जो कॉमन मैन है उनके लिए इतनी दिक्कत नहीं होती।
एकता टाइगर का वापस से बनेगा ये खुशी की बात है सब के लिए।
जी जी जी
कुछ अगर प्रकाश डालना चाहे कुछ मतलब
जी मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ वो आप जानते हैं मेरे दोस्त अली अब्बास जफ़र बना रहे हैं लेकिन हाँ वो एकता टाइगर का पार्ट 2 सीक्वल बना रहे हैं टाइगर जिंदा है विल बी अ बिग फिल्म कटरीना कैफ एंड सलमान खान विल बी कमिंग टुगेदर।
इस बार काफ़ी अवार्ड फंक्शन की शुरुआत हुई लेकिन स्मेल आ रही है और यहीं पे और भी अगर अवार्ड फंक्शन आपको अवार्ड की गंध आ रही है?
जी पिछले साल कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया था थैंक्स टू बजरंगी भाईजान। तो एक्चुअली मैं तो थोड़ा दूर रहना चाहता हूँ और रिलैक्स करना चाहता हूँ। एंड एनीवे मेरी अभी शूटिंग चल रही है और पूरे अवार्ड सीजन में चलती रहेगी। तो आई थिंक इस साल मैं अवार्ड फंक्शन से दूर रहूँगा। हाय, हाउ आर यू? जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक। अब ये कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं चल रहा है कुछ, तो कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पी ले बैठ जाए हम, है ना?
तो आप क्या कहते हैं नेक्स्ट रेड कार्पेट?
हाँ, नेक्स्ट रेड कार्पेट के लिए कुछ और बात करने के लिए होगा तो करेंगे। जी
शाहरुख खान also was part of this.
जी जी जी। शाहरुख वो अभी MC हैं, जो लास्ट सेक्शन है शो का उसको कर रहे हैं। आइए सर। नहीं प्लीज। अरे
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Bro.
जी
ठीक है सर,
थैंक यू।
have a pleasant evening.
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Visual.
विजुअल?
It's a nice jacket.
थैंक यू। क्या हाल है?
बस सर
ठीक।
वही अभी सर 2 फ्लाइट में मेरे को लेंगे ना।
आओ सेट पे।
हाँ सर।
ओके थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
Please move.
Thank you.
Anshu darling, you were absolutely fabulous. I sent you a message also. I sent you a message you sent me. Hey, I was with Chamak. Chamak was very happy. I think he was telling me super. We were all sitting and clapping for him.
Neeraj sir laughing. I was so happy.
I'm going to get to Monday. We'll work that out. Don't worry. We'll work that. Take care, darling. Right, don't worry. You'll be okay.
Hi, sorry. Good evening. Thank you very much. Yes. Well, as you know, it's the Lux Awards, which is all about celebrating womanhood, and Shamak Dawar did the act, so we had a lot of fun. We did Kala Chashma, and we did it Shamak Dawar style. But it really is a wonderful evening, and I think it's a great thing that Lux is doing to kind of specifically pick out the memorable characters that women have done this year and award people for it. And it was wonderfully hosted by Shah Rukh and Karan.
There has been a legacy like starting from Shabila Begum, both the first brand ambassador and going on. How do you see it like who has been the most impactful women as far as cinema goes?
I think everyone
everyone has in their own unique way, and everyone, all the women you mentioned who have been associated with Lux have always been very unique in their own way and have always stood for something very particular and beautiful, which is why I think Lux has always chosen these women. And it was a wonderful night, and I think everyone has performed really well and everyone had a lot of fun.
As you told us, Shah Rukh Khan was also part of it.
Yes.
Remember that he had done an ad also. He's only male.
Yes, we did an ad together for Lux.
Any remembrance of that, like,
I guess, I don't know, I think it's a very unique concept. I think it's a hard concept to pull off, which I think only Shah Rukh can do, because I think he's got that flair and he's just very comfortable with women. So I think it was a really fun ad.
we would like to thank you, these days we are getting to know more about you rather than being simply unaware about it through your Facebook post and everything. How does this feel to be on?
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's been only I think about 5 months that I've been on Facebook, and I'm really having a lot of fun. I think that was the thing that I realized when I finally came onto Facebook after so many years. That you can choose the moments that you want to share with the people who watch you and who follow your work and who see your films, and I've had a lot of fun so far.
The one thing which is even is that it is very natural. It's not like the no makeup look and the parrot. Was there like
That's a wooden parrot. Yeah, I mean, I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be an insight into the part of you which the audience or the people who watch your films do not get to see on screen. So it has to be different, and it has to be the personal moments and the unique moments.
One of my colleagues was asking, since this is part of tribute to the village, there are many acid survivors who have come strongly out of it. Would you like to express some words for them, especially like?
I think such women like that are. It's very hard to put it into words, because I think women like that are such an immense inspiration. I mean, so many of us, including myself, we get caught up in our little problems. We get caught up in our little world and our careers and what's going on in our life. And then when you sometimes come outside of that bubble which we live in, and which I think I know I live in the film industry, and you come outside and you see how many women actually are suffering out there in the world, like you're saying, women who are actually the victims of attacks, then you really know what suffering is, and then you know what strength of character is, and these are the women who I think deserve to be acknowledged, and that is true strength of character. And for me, these are the women that you learn from, and you learn to be grateful for what we have in our lives.
I just end this one question. We are all asking, curious to know about the social, economic turbulence which has happened since the last 2 days. Do you think it's a good step, or it has repercussions, or it is affecting the
I think tonight is about Lux, and as you said, I think you chose a wonderful topic to speak on, which was women who are victims of the attacks. So I think we'll leave it to that tonight, because I don't want to take away any of the attention from that. But thank you all for coming. Sorry about the wait.
Can I request for the vaccine which are following sort of flying details for the cameras? Every ladies who has come over here.
Of course you can. Is there a way to do this, or is it anyway? Anyway?
We count on 3.
Okay, 1, 2, you count then, right? Okay.
You have to big smile, okay?
Big smile.
On the count of 3, we start 1, 2, and 3.
One more? Bye, thank you.
Katrina?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.